Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing out there today? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here, and this, I think it's Hollywood, but my paperwork says Los Angeles, but it's, I'm sure, right on the borderline of Hollywood. We're somewhere out here. We're gonna sand and refinish some walnut floors. Let me just take you guys inside and show you real quick what we got. These floors look like they've taken a beating over their lifetime, so go ahead and flip this thing around. I gotta show you guys this view first before we get anywhere. Oh, check that out. Beautiful. Beautiful downtown right there. So let me show you guys up here first because we dropped down the floor, but get you guys, show you guys this closet. So we're gonna sand and refinish this. This looks like it's a 5" by half walnut, but homeowner's getting a new closet put in, so we got to sand and refinish this. Pretty unsure if he wants to go with natural or if he wants to stain. It's one of those, we're going to start sanding. He'll be back around noonish and we can kind of go from there. So these steps, it's one of those, we don't know if he's going to want us to sand those as well or if he's just going to repaint them. But again, it's one where he wants to see what everything looks like first. So go ahead and take a look at this floor. You can see that it's just so light compared to everything else upstairs. It's pretty much right in the sun. The sun eats this up, ate up the finish. You see all the wear and tear going on right here. High traffic area right there. All right. Majority of this stuff is dirt. Yep. See everything we're going to be doing. Now this floor is pretty abused right now, but once everything's all said and done, we're all done with it. It's going to look really, really good. Closet space right here. Got everything right here. See the hallway. We got this room right here. All this is going to look a lot different once it's all said and done. This job itself right here. So probably about 2 days, 3 days here. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. Let me show you guys the view one more time. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Probably a 3-day job. They do natural. If they end up staining, 3.5, something like that, you know. But we're gonna clean this place up, get everything nice and going, everything looking good, and we'll do a video update in a couple of hours. So everybody, you guys have a good one.